I grew up with a lot of self-worth and affection, unconditional love. I never heard my dad shout at my mom. I never heard him talk about my mom in a condescending manner. I grew up thinking, oh, whoever I'll marry will be good and he'll be kind. My parents were not alive when I got married. Everybody says now you're all alone in this world. So there was an aunt of mine who had helped to arrange the marriage, but I was not ready. I'm Vandana Shah. I'm India's top divorce lawyer, author, and social entrepreneur. Something was not right almost from the beginning. And then the verbal abuse started. No, your parents never taught you anything. How do you talk? Why don't you know this? Then I would be physically abused. All these bruises here. Okay? And I remember I was so broken at one stage. You don't know how to talk. They had this really bad fight at home, I remember. Everybody was there, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law. And then they said, no, she's the cause of this. And then they started hitting me. And they just shoved me out of the house and they said, you stay there now. You're getting beaten, you're getting abused. And it was almost 12:31 at night. And I'm standing there and I said, I have to go now. And that's when the next phase of my life started. I have rebuilt my life with just 750 rupees in my bank account, but $1 billion worth of dreams.